Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. We are here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could fix if you can't send friend request on Facebook. So if you are unable to send any of the friend request and you wanna fix that out, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply head towards your Play Store. Here you have to check whether the update is available or not. For that, head towards the Facebook. And now here you have to make sure that there is no update should be available. If the update is available, simply update that out. And after that, most of your issues will be resolved because updating the app usually fix all the bugs and glitches inside the app. But if you are still encountering the issue, what you have to do is to simply go back, head towards your settings, scroll down and head towards apps, head towards see all apps and find out Facebook. Once you find that, simply tap on that, and from here you have to simply head towards the option named as storage and cache and clear out the storage and cache for Facebook, and after that you will get a smooth running application on Facebook. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.